Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. How to check the equipment of the top table tennis players. In the world of table tennis, the top players are often associated with different table tennis brands such as Butterfly, Donic, DHS, Cornolo, and Stiga. These players often change their equipment, and one of the reasons behind this is their sponsorship deals with various brands. For instance, let's take the example of Felix Lebrun, who was sponsored by Butterfly in the past, but has recently switched to being sponsored by T-Bar. As a result, he also had to change his equipment accordingly. The influence of sponsorship deals. Sponsorship plays a significant role in the equipment choices of top table tennis players. When a player signs a sponsorship deal with a particular brand, they usually become obligated to use that brand's equipment during tournaments and other competitions. This often leads to players changing their equipment to match the brand they are now representing. While some players might have a long-lasting partnership with a specific brand, others might switch sponsors multiple times throughout their careers. The ever-changing equipment landscape table. Tennis brands constantly innovate and release new equipment, whether it's blades, rubbers, or other accessories. These new releases can offer improved performance, enhanced control, or other features that might be appealing to top players. As a result, even if a player remains with the same sponsor, they may still update their equipment regularly to take advantage of the latest advancements in table tennis technology. Photos of top players in the Chinese Super League 2023. To get a glimpse of the equipment used by the top players in the Chinese Super League 2023, one can find photos of them during matches or official events. These photos often capture the players in action, providing a close-up view of their table tennis gear. When examining these photos, it's essential to zoom in to observe the finer details of the equipment, such as the brand logos, model names, and other distinctive features. The importance of attention to detail. When trying to identify the equipment of top table tennis players from photos, paying attention to even the smallest details is crucial. Manufacturers often have their logos and brand names clearly visible on the equipment, which can help identify the brand the player is currently sponsored by. Additionally, players might have unique color combinations or personalized markings on their rubbers or blades, making them stand out from others. Online resources and equipment database. For those interested in exploring the equipment used by top table tennis players further, several online resources and equipment databases can be helpful. These platforms are dedicated to cataloging the gear used by professional players, and they often include information on the brands, models, and specifications of the equipment. By cross-referencing the photos with the data from these resources, enthusiasts can gain a comprehensive understanding of the gear choices made by their favorite players.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.